Alright, let's see how this does on the highway. Oh man! This thing is so quick. Watch my speed. 90 feels like nothing on this thing. In low power mode. Oh man. Oh my gosh, I gotta be careful. This thing still pulls in 6th gear in low power mode. I gotta be careful. This thing is crazy fast. This thing is fast, fast, fast. So for now, just gonna keep it at low power mode. It's pretty easy to control. Just get used to the bike for now. And once I get comfortable, I'll put it in full power mode. Feel how this leans. Oh man, leans really nice. It just feels weird because I'm higher up than the R3. The R3 I feel like I could just lean really easily. Gotta get used to the signals too. On the R3 the signals are below the horn. These signals are above the horn. So I honked the horn a couple times by accident. See how sensitive that is? Just a slight twist. Oh man. This thing is nice. And with the turn signals, it tells you what signal you have turned on. With the R6, it just gives you just a light. It doesn't tell you which direction. Oh. Yeah, this thing. This thing is nice.